Hi friends, how are you doing? Guess where we are right now?
We are newly opened largest IKEA store in UAE.
By the way, is it Ikea or Ikea?
First, let's take a tour of the store and we'll find out.
Right?
Dubai has two IKEAs now. With the opening of this latest and largest store in UAE, it's literally bigger and better than before. The largest IKEA in UAE proudly showcases this world's tallest IKEA Navigation Tower, which is 70 meters tall, with their famous emblems.
And here comes the $1,000,000 question.
Is it IKEA or IKEA?
Actually, both are correct. But being a Swedish company, the authentic pronunciation is Ikea. The company has taken a more customer-friendly approach depending on the region. In their UK and European ads, they say Ikea, whereas their American ads say IKEA.
The interesting fact is that IKEA is not a Swedish word. It's simply a short form of the founder's full name, Ingvar Kamprad, his village and his farm name respectively. IKEA is so popular that as per statistics, 1 out of every 10 European babies are conceived on an IKEA bed. In fact, even we are sitting on an IKEA sofa.
There are a lot more interesting facts about IKEA which can be discussed in a later video. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get the updates on new videos.
The food section is divided into 3 parts. A dine-in restaurant where we first collect our choice of yummy delicacies on display in our trolleys and then pay in the checkout counter. Their breakfast menu is splendid with sausages, hash browns, eggs, etc. and is available only in the morning. The Swedish meatballs are our favorite, accompanied by a side of your choice, such as mashed potatoes, mixed vegetables, or rice. Refill on drinks. Children can enjoy their time in the small play area when we grown-ups sip that extra cup of coffee. Can be accessed directly from the mall. Yummy fast food treats are lined up in here, including croissants for just 2 dirhams, ice creams for 1 dirham, hot dog sandwiches, shawarma being the crowd pullers. The Swedish food market has many must-have delicacies. There are new screens where we can also self-order to have a really quick bite. New IKEA has innovative and amazing rooms. IKEA is the Swedish furniture giant famous for its innovative and unique multi-purpose designs. Its usefulness at its best. Their trademark blue block stores are really huge, with their motto of independent shopping. So surprising to see how their compact design can make use of every inch of space available with amazing creativity and efficiency. You get products from the lowest price daily use items to huge furnitures. There's something for everyone in here. IKEA, we choose our own items, walking around the display area and pick up the items including furniture from the downstairs warehouse and take it home with us. Delivery and installation is available by paying extra charges. This 35,000 square meter store is complete with a warehouse, market hall, kids play area, IKEA cafe which has direct access from the mall, restaurant and bakery which is a new feature, as well as a food store. IKEA doors are open daily at 10 a.m. So hurry up guys and get your exclusive IKEA products at good discounts.
Yourself
news to the customers is that affordable prices is their new focus. There is much anticipation to Sharjah residents as the new store is going to come up soon in Sharjah. Currently, Ikea has stores at Festival City Mall, Dubai and at Yas Mall, Abu Dhabi. You can also order online as they have lowest delivery charges across UAE, home accessories at 19 dirhams and furnitures at 39 dirhams. Fast-pack screens help us to plan on our new furnishing that best fits our home. The Festival Plaza has other 120 stores including Ace, Marks & Spencer's, Lulu Hypermarket, which is opening soon. Apart from IKEA's in-house restaurant, there is a vast food court in the mall with 40 food outlets, kids club and ample parking spaces. Your favorite IKEA stores have festive sale of 25 to 75% off until the 1st of February 2020. There's a larger play zone for kids, which is free. Little ones can play their heart out for an hour, while we get the chance to have some shopping therapy. Don't forget to make sure your kids fall in the height category of 95 to 130 centimeters before you wait in that queue to the play area. The entry is given only after they double check the kids' heights as they follow the rules very strictly. Locker facilities are available near the entrance for free, which can be used to keep our belongings while we shop freely, or to keep valuables, especially for tourists. Can match with digital rugs at the screens and many other tech-savvy features. Ikea is located inside an upcoming residential community, Wasl Gate in Jebel Ali, and can easily be spotted from Sheikh Zayed Road. The nearest metro station is Energy Metro Station at a walkable distance. At the heart of the store is the Swedish stairs, which is a new attraction with wooden comfortable seating as socializing area as well as steps to access the shop's upper level. You can live a lie and it never be true. It's so funny now how clearly I can see you. You never wrong and I'm never right and you win all the rounds. Terrified, that's why. Can't stand the day we... Thanks for watching. Bye friends. Hey, wait! Before you leave, please do like, share and subscribe if you want more interesting and informative videos. Also, we are eagerly waiting for your valuable comments and suggestions.